Cripps mission came in 1942. Lord Bevell from 1943 to 1947, the penultimate Viceroy of India, means the second last Viceroy of India. Lord Mountbatten came in 1947, the last Viceroy, announced the division of subcontinent. Red Caliph was the head of Boundary Commission of Pakistan and India. Nehru Report came on 28 August 1928. In response to Nehru Report, 14 points of Jinnah were given on 28 March 1929. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed on 5 March 1931. Allahabad Address held on 29 December 1930. Congress rule lasted from 1937 to 1939, formed ministries in 8 provinces. In 1937 elections, All India Muslim League got 5% of the Muslim seats. War of Independence fought in 1857 and it was started from Meerut. Jinnah joined Congress in 1905 and left it in 1920. Jinnah joined Muslim League in 1913 and became its president in 1916. Allama Iqbal joined Muslim League in 1908. He never went for Hajj. Liaquat Ali Khan joined Muslim League in 1923. Poems Shikwa and Jawab-e-Shikwa are in Bange-Dara. Who first supported Pakistan resolution in 1940? Chaudhry Khaliquz-Zaman. M.Ali Jinnah was born on 25 December 1876 and died on 11 September 1948. Daughter of Jinnah named Dina and wife named Ratanbai. Gandhi-Jinnah talks were held in 1944. After the demise of Quaid-e-Azam, President of Muslim League in 1948 was Chaudhry Khaliquz-Zaman. Quaid said, Sindh should be separated from Bombay. When M.Ali Jinnah became barrister, 1896. Allama Iqbal got the degree of law from Europe. Allama Iqbal and Faiz Ahmed Faiz were born in Sialkot. India raised Kashmir issue in United Nations Organization on 1st January 1948. Since that time, Kashmir issue is unresolved and it is pending in United Nations organizations. Ceasefire agreement was signed between Pakistan and India on 27 July 1949 to stop war by UN. Indian Military Training Center is at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. One unit plan was given by PM Muhammad Ali Bogra on 22nd November 1954. Tashkent Declaration was signed after 1965 war on 10 January 1966 between General Ayub and Lal Bahadur Shastri.